It just reminded me I need to fill up my tank with gas because when it gets this cold outside, I was going to work this morning and it's like the tire pressure's low, my gas tank is low.
All of those warning signs are blinking all over the place.
Exactly, but I mean we're talking about temperatures too. I mean really in the overnight hours especially. Going to continue to drop with those feels like temperatures. I mean, what, in the teens?
Yes, in the teens. It's going to be absolutely frigid, miserable out there tonight. So if you're heading out there, make sure to bundle up. We are going to continue to see some snowflakes here over the next couple of hours, but mainly to our more southern counties. And then as we move into the evening hour, that light snow starts to taper off a little bit. And then by 8 p.m., we're just going to be left with that wind chill in the teens, gusting winds up to 30 miles an hour, and that's why we're going to have those feels like temperatures in the teens. Those winter weather advisories have completely cleared off the tri-state here, so we're good in that sense. But if we move over a little bit, we can see where that snow is sitting right now, and that's just that loop there, and you can see it is definitely starting to taper off as it continues to push down. Again, we're expected to have that completely out of the tri-state here in the next couple of hours. Here is this timeline for you as it continues to move. This is at 5 p.m. This is when we expect all that snow to be out of the area, left with some lingering clouds. By the time we reach late Monday, very early Tuesday, we could see a possible small flurry up to the north, but most people are going to stay completely dry from the snowfall for the rest of the evening once we get past this 5 p.m. mark moving into Tuesday. Now it is pretty snowy outside, and it's breezy as well. And again, we're going to talk about that wind chill in the teens. So here is those wind gusts moving forward here, and you can see some of those 20-mile-per-hour moving through. But as we move into tomorrow afternoon, you can really see those pick up once again, those 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts going into Tuesday. So definitely going to be feeling quite chilly out there. Here is that wind chill forecast for you over the next couple of hours. 29 degrees is what it'll feel like at 4 p.m. Then you can see once that sun sets there at 7 o'clock, we really dip off in the teens here, going into 15 degrees is what it's going to feel like by the time we reach midnight, going into when you wake up tomorrow morning. So definitely a time to get out there and bundle up if you are. No umbrella is needed unless you're using it to maybe shield yourself from the snow getting blown in your face from those wind gusts. But other than that, just a jacket, heavy coat, lots of layers. You might even need to break out some of that winter gear, beanies, gloves. Definitely a chilly day, and again, those wind gusts, you might need a windbreaker while you're out there. Here's your 7-day forecast for you moving forward, though. Most of that snow will be out of the picture by the time we reach Tuesday for your Veterans Day. 43 degrees will be your high temperature. But as you can see here, as we move into the next couple of days, you can see we'll start to warm back up. We'll see the 60s back in the forecast as we move into Saturday, Sunday. Rain chances also kick back up then, too. And then you will see we'll be back right on average by the time we reach next week.